So in this video, I want to sort of demonstrate what a page zero or rich snippet item is in a Google search. So if we look at this page, so this is a search engine result page on Google after we typed in the word candle. So I typed in the word candle, and this is the result I got. So a whole bunch of ads, ad at the top, then ads on the right-hand side. You have to scroll down below the fold before we start getting actual websites that haven't paid for an ad. And then we get some stores. All right, okay. So now let's look at this page. So on this page, again, I sort of increased the number of words in my key phrase. So remember, our first key phrase was just one word, candles. The second search term was best burning candles, so 3 words. So hopefully that narrows things down a bit more. And again, we have a whole bunch of ads at the top, not quite as many, but still we have to scroll down below the fold before we get to a website that isn't paying for an ad. And then we get something called people also ask. So these are questions that people have also asked that are related to our search term, which was best burning candles. So that's kind of nice. So the goal is to try and be a possible answer, or to have content that answers one of these people also ask questions. All right, so again, I have typed in another search of best burning candles in Canada. Okay, I don't know if this was any better. We do have ads at the top, ads on the right-hand side. Just scroll down below the fold to get a few search engine results that are not ads. Then we get the people also ask again. Okay, so now I changed my search a little different to something a little different. Here I asked, or rather I searched for top 10 best burning candles. All right, so now when I do that, I do get ads on the right-hand side, but the first listing, search engine result listing, is actually which are the best smelling candles. So we get a list. That's kind of nice. And then below that, we get a link to where that list is found. So this would be like a position 0 item. There are no ads above it, which is great. So the goal, another goal, is to try and create content that could potentially be in this spot. And then below we have the people also ask section. All right, let's try. All right, another search term. What is a pillar candle? So now if you notice on the right-hand side, there are no ads. And at the top, we have a definition. So again, a position 0, a rich snippet, tells us what a pillar candle is. A pillar candle is a candle made from rigid wax, usually paraffin wax, so that it can stand alone without a container. And then there's a link to where that answer has come from, which is great. Again, underneath that we have the people also ask section. All right, let's try another search term, how to make a candle. So we're asking a very specific question, and again, in the top we don't have any ads. We have a set of steps and then a link to the web page that has these 8 steps, and then it looks like we have some images related to that search result. And then below we have the people also ask section, some videos, and a couple of ads. But the first thing that we see is no ads. So again, a position 0 item or rich sniff. This is a position 0 item. So another search term, recipe for candles. So here we have ingredients, and we have all the ingredients, no ads anywhere above the fold, and then a link to where the recipe is. So again, another position 0 type post. And then, all right, so we're back to top 10 Canadian candle retailers, or top 10 candle retailers in Canada. And again, we're back to ads. So this is probably not a very good search term. But if we look, we started with just one word, candles, gave us lots of ads. And we added best burning candles, still we got ads. Best burning candles in Canada, we still got ads, but we started getting the people also ask. And then once we start being a bit more specific, top 10 best burning candles, we had less ads. And then definitions, even fewer ads. And then, looking for steps and procedures and recipes, we got to the point where we had no ads.